Hey everyone, the Chinese gaming market caters to both casual and competitive gamers. This newly revamped version boasts an adaptable stand that offers improved ergonomic flexibility, a significant enhancement over the previous edition. Priced at $196 for pre-order, it features an early bird discount, bringing the price down to $134, making it an enticing option for gamers looking for a feature-rich monitor at an affordable price point. At its core, the Redmi G27Q delivers a 27-inch 2K Fast LCD panel, which ensures crisp visuals with its 300 nits of brightness and a standard 1000:1 contrast ratio. With 16.7 million colors and a 178 degrees wide viewing angle, the monitor promises consistent image quality from various positions, ensuring minimal distortion in color and clarity, a critical factor for gamers and content creators alike. Designed for high-speed gaming, the 1 millisecond GTG response time and 180 Hz refresh rate provide an ultra-smooth experience, reducing motion blur and ghosting during fast-paced scenes. Additionally, the FreeSync technology helps eliminate screen tearing by syncing the monitor's refresh rate with the GPU, making it particularly attractive for gamers using AMD graphics cards. For visual enthusiasts, the monitor shines with its color fidelity, offering 100% sRGB coverage and an impressive 95% DCI-P 3-color gamut. The monitor's Delta E below 2-color accuracy and 8-bit color depth ensure vibrant, true-to-life images, which will also appeal to creatives working in graphic design, video editing, and photography. Xiaomi has made eye care a priority with this model by incorporating low blue light technology certified by TÜV Rheinland, coupled with DC dimming to reduce flicker, making it easier on the eyes during prolonged gaming sessions. This is particularly important for users who spend long hours in front of the screen. The standout feature of the G27Q Multifunctional Stand Edition is its versatile stand, allowing users to adjust tilt, swivel, height, and even offering wall-mounting options via VESA compatibility. Additionally, the monitor is built with narrow bezels, providing an immersive, almost borderless viewing experience that's ideal for multi-monitor setups. The Redmi G27Q is well equipped in terms of connectivity, featuring 2 DP 1.4 ports, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, and an audio jack, giving users flexibility to connect multiple devices such as gaming consoles, PCs, or external audio solutions. Weighing 5.6 kilos and measuring 612.5 by 227.3 by 521.9 millimeters with the stand, it's substantial without being overly bulky, fitting well into most desktop setups. With the Redmi Monitor G27Q Multifunctional Stand Edition, Xiaomi delivers a solid combination of performance, comfort, and adaptability, all at a competitive price. Its 180 Hz refresh rate, FreeSync support. Moreover, the ergonomic design and eye-friendly features make it a suitable choice for users looking to invest in a monitor that excels in both performance and usability. Considering its price, extensive feature set, and Xiaomi's reputation for reliable, budget-friendly tech, the Redmi G27Q stands out as a compelling option in the gaming monitor market. As Xiaomi continues to expand its tech portfolio, it's worth noting that the company has also introduced new lifestyle products like the portable electric air compressor, 2 Pro, and the Mijia Smart Aroma Diffuser set, both demonstrating Xiaomi's commitment to innovation across various tech domains. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.